Very easy and delicious with Thai-style chicken boil. And trust me, you will love it from the first time. สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. I hope you have a good day. Today I'm going to show you all how to make boiled chicken with sweet soy sauce. Let's go to see the ingredients, and I will use chicken drumsticks, garlic, galangal, kaffir lime leaf, lemongrass, limes, fish sauce, palm sugar, hot chili, salt, palm sugar for boiling chicken, light soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, and oyster sauce. First, when the water is boiling, so I will put a little bit of salt and then put the chicken drumstick into the pot. I will use the medium heat and boil it for 20 minutes. When the chickens have been boiling for a while, it will have a foam, so I will skim off the foam and keep boiling the chicken. Now, let's go to prepare the ingredients for another step. Cut the lemongrass for 5 cm and then smash it like this. Slanting slice the galangal, it's not too thinly. Tear the kaffir lime leaf. Three cloves of garlic and smash it. Now, 2 cups of water into the pot. A teaspoon of salt. Put it in. Light soy sauce for 1.5 tablespoons. Sweet soy sauce 1 tablespoon. And oyster sauce for 1 tablespoon as well. And 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. Put it in and stir it up. Now, put lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaf, garlic into the pot. And then stir it up. So, I'm going to remove the chicken bowl from other pot to this pot. I have a seasoning already. And for this step, we'll make the chicken have a very nice and beautiful color and incredible flavor taste from the seasoning. And for this part, I will use a low heat and keep boiling again for another 15 minutes. Now, let's go to make a spicy sauce for the chicken. 3 cloves of garlic, hot chili, touch salt, and punch it. Punch it hard and don't be afraid the garlic and chili will be hurt. And be careful because the chili could splash into your eyes as well. Lovely. Seasoning with palm sugar for 1 tablespoon. Mix it up. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. And I will use 1.5 lime. Cut it up and squeeze it. A spicy dip sauce for this dish, it must be a 3 flavor taste. It's sour, sweet, and salty. When it's done, then mix it up. Lovely. Now I'm gonna show you my tip, and trust me, you will really love it. So now I will stir the soup first before I scoop out the soup. Just for a couple scoop. There we go. And use 5 tablespoons of the soup into the chili sauce. And then mix it up together again. So incredible smell. And very lovely taste. Now, the spicy chicken dip sauce is already done. Woohoo! I can't wait to sit on the table and try the heaven. Now, turn off the gas and pick up the chicken drumstick on the plate. Looks very lovely, soft and tender. Now, a little bit of soup on top of the chicken. Lovely. And this is boiled chicken with the sweet soy sauce. It's already done. The chickens look very soft. And let's try it. And this is the way how we eat. Cut it up and dip with the amazing spicy sauce. Ready, set, dip. And enjoy my heaven. To all of you, thank you so much for watching MsYoo Thai Cooking. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel for more. It would mean so much to me if you share this recipe to your friends and your family. And I hope you enjoy your homemade cooking. I see you again next video. Have a great day. สวัสดีค่ะ